Leo Varadkar's autobiography, Speaking My Mind, is out this week, and the former Taoiseach gives his take on the famous Leo the Leak controversy. However, it also has knock-on implications for the presidential election. Heather Humphreys thought the whole thing was comical. Sure, what are they saying? A minister can't show a document to someone they know or trust to get an outside opinion on it. We'll all be criminals next. She was making a valid point and being kind.
Leo Varadkar wouldn't have known when he was writing this book that she would be the presidential candidate because I'm not sure when it was written, but Mairead McGuinness, whether she was on the pitch or not at that stage, but it wasn't Heather Humphreys. And just the timing of this book coming out, just as Heather Humphreys' campaign is beginning to launch, I think a lot of people in Fine Gael will just go, oh no, this is not helpful one bit. Not so much that, you can say Heather was staunchly defending Leo in this leak controversy because, as you said, it was a throwaway remark. But the fact that Heather Humphreys in this campaign could potentially be really linked to Fine Gael and its time in government and the memories of that time, and also potentially that she was a sort of type of politician who kind of told her leaders maybe what they wanted to hear all the time, and she certainly wasn't calling out Leo Varadkar on this one. Instead, she was giving something more, a bit of a reassurance and maybe a shoulder to cry on.
Yeah, and he's not going to win any brownie points from Fine Gael now for that little anecdote. The book is very gossipy, it's very colloquial. If Leo likes somebody, they get praise. If Leo doesn't like somebody, he makes it abundantly clear.